How to search someone on Instagram by image. Open your Google web browser. You'll see a search bar with a small camera icon next to it. Click on that camera icon. Choose the picture you want to search with from your computer or device. If you want to narrow down your search, you can type in keywords related to the person or topic you're looking for. For example, you can type Instagram if you're specifically looking for someone on Instagram. After you've selected your image and added any keywords, click on the search button. Google will show you a list of images similar to the one you uploaded, along with any web pages where the image appears. Scroll through the results to see if any of them are Instagram profiles. You might see profile pictures or images from Instagram posts. Remember, if the person's Instagram account is private, you might not find it through this method. Google Images can only show publicly available content. If you find relevant profiles, you can click on them to visit the Instagram page and see more details. And there you have it. While Instagram doesn't directly support image-based searches, using Google Images can be a handy workaround to find relevant profiles. Remember, this method works best for public accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to HowToMastery for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.